मेरा नाम है ईबू हटेला, माँ मेरी चुड़ैल की बेटी, बाप मेरा शैतान का चेला, खाएगा केला. I mean, imagine to write the amount of talent you need to write something
How
like
many
that.
takes would you take? Because I expect the actor to be laughing. So I'm thinking.
Asha, can I tell you something?
कम से कम होना.
That actor now is part of the MCU.
What?
Yeah.
What?
The guy, you'll know his face. He's a very talented actor, but he's now part. He was the father. He was the assistant to that Eternals में जो कुमेल नांजियानी, the Pakistani.
पाकिस्तानी. कौन है, नाम क्या है?
I'm just completely blanking on his name.
But the Desi guy who's in the MCU.
You have seen him in movies.
Not like a Cal Penn, like a Desi Indian guy.
Desi Indian guy, and he's also come in a recent indie movie called A Nice Indian Boy. He's the father. He's the husband to Zarna Garg, and
Which is like a parallel cinema.
Like it's a nice new indie movie that's
Nothing
come
close
out.
to.
Nothing.
Epic.
No. But he's a very talented actor. But obviously, yaar,
मजबूरी भी है.
I mean, to be
You get what you get sometimes.
Ibu Hatela and then be in Marvel Universe, dude, come on.
Bro, I mean,
That arc.
I mean, it's also an opportunity. Perhaps
Exactly.
he was young and this is what he got, and sometimes you don't know what you're doing.
But when that guy made Gunda, one of the actors is Shakti Kapoor was in it. Like Mithun is in it, and then he also made Loha, which had I think Dharmendra also in it. So ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ही छोटी मूवी का छोटा डायरेक्टर था. But then Gunda was his like Kanti Shah's
His
epic.
gift to the nation.
Yeah, gift to the nation. It is a gift that keeps giving.
Yeah. Okay, Cyrus says time, and an old pal of mine, not old मतलब कि हम लोग का जो रिश्ता है, it goes back a few years. So in that sense, old, पुराना. But Jatin Verma, entrepreneur, lover of comics, and the pioneer of, I would say, a subculture of events, which were very progressive events, which I go back to 2010-11.
Yeah, Golden Kela.
Golden Kela Awards. Can I quickly tell them what it is?
Yeah.
Because I don't know, you still do it? You don't do it now.
Oh, we stopped.
We stopped. We ran out of Kelas. But I'll tell you, the Golden Kela was based on the Raspberry Awards of America, where you give people awards for their opposite performance, the worst ever. And guess who they wanted as an anchor? Because you wanted someone who's also the worst ever in his profession, so it matches and mirrors it. And so Golden Kela, I think more than once, maybe 2 or 3 years we did with these guys. And this is a starting point. Of your entire Comic Con universe.
True.
But the story doesn't start here. The story starts in New Delhi. And uske baad, I think, Washington, where you went to study.
Yes.
So let's rewind. We'll come to everything slowly and find out the Jatin Verma case. Today, ladies and gentlemen, this man is worth 54,000 crores. That's right. Enforcement Directorate, make the call now. Address to Delhi mein hai, to 2 minute mein aayega. चाय पानी है ना?
हाँ है. Full.
चाय पानी का मतलब क्या है? More chai, less पानी. Okay, let's start. Let's start at the beginning. First, I'm pulling his leg, but you're a real pioneer. You're one of those guys who, I mean, when you look back at your life, you started something on your own. With family support, my memory of it, the entire family comes. And so it's quite sweet and almost like pure, when you start like that with just the support of friends and family.
Yeah, it was. In fact, one detail you missed was that the first.
You miss is very critical, yeah.
Yeah, नहीं, sorry.
मैंने काफी try किया.
No, but उसमें आपने छुपा लिया. Ab basically.
छुपा लिया is even worse, I think.
Golden Kela second or third pay, we invited you and you were very gracious to come, and we were roasting you. You were the first one. You were a special guest, chief guest.
Right.
And you were the second chief guest. The first one was Jaspal Bhatti. The next year we invited you.
Greatest of all time for me. Let's pause. Jaspal Bhatti. Can't take his name and run away.
Yeah.
Greatest of all time. Now say.
Then we invited you, and we were fans of your work. And I mean, Bakra, dekh ke.
There were no comedians then. There were 3 of us and 5 guys in Lok Sabha.
Yeah. You could crack those jokes then.
You could, yeah. Abhi Pondicherry say I'm doing my stand-up. The last bastion for comedy.
No, but we made a whole video. We roasted you, and you had a. I remember you were laughing, genuinely laughing at everything we were doing. And
bro, I'm very okay with heckling. I'm not good with praise. When you grow up with low self-esteem, it's very difficult to people are being sarcastic or not. But I don't want anybody saying CHUT and all to me. But I just feel it's normal, especially if it's my wife. Jatin, let me not interrupt.
No, but it was fun, and then I think that's how we got the ball rolling. And then we were like, "Would you like to host?" And you were like, "Yes." And then we did that a couple of times as well. It was a lot of fun.
But let's not get into my story. Let's get into your story now, because because
So,
I want to just mention, and this is the most important part of your story, is you grew up like any of these urban, upper middle class kids with this great American education and all. And then when you guys take a little twist in the tale, for people listening, I think that's the most. I don't want to encourage people to do all this because not everyone succeeds. But it's very interesting that you have the courage to do that after the way we are programmed.
Yeah. No, I mean, I think the courage came from the fact that somehow my parents were convinced that, whatever Jatin is doing, he should go ahead and try it out. I guess they wanted to give me something that they probably didn't get a chance to do. So I did my education, came back, somehow convinced my father that without any experience of doing anything in life, I should start a business. I will publish comic books and magazines, and I'll make some videos. I'll also do this award show, whatever. I was thinking back at it right now. I wouldn't have supported myself, but
did you have a vision of like a strategy all the way at that point, or you were just looking at पहला वो golden केला करेगा, उसके बाद?
No, honestly, no, there was no strategy. Originally, all I wanted to do was create some sort of content, and this is 2007. So my idea of content was, okay, maybe I'll publish books, comic books. I'll be a publisher. And then I landed up at the offices of that Channel V at that point in time, and I tried to license Simpu Singh and Lola Kuti. And from there, the whole journey of producing television shows.
So you would make them into cartoon, comic characters?
Yeah. I thought for my magazine and comics, I would license them and I would use them in it. And they were relatively popular back then, and Simpu Singh especially. And that's how we started off. And they said, "Do you do anything else? Do you make television shows or something?" I said, I do it.
Right.
Yeah, I completely.
You must lie to be successful. Write down. Everybody should write down and follow the blueprint. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, they said, "Do you do anything else?" I said, "Yeah, we can make TV shows." So we made reality dating shows for them, and I was always
without any experience.
Without any experience.
Channel V Zindabad.
Yeah, Channel V Zindabad. They bankrolled every crazy idea I had.
Without even checking twice, not asking for any strategy from your side.
And I had the worst salesman with me. People like I don't know if you remember this friend of mine who worked with me, Akul.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's still there?
He's a big shot now. He works in many big companies. He works in District now. But he grew from there and now is a very big guy.
Wow.
So all of us bow to him.
Worth?
Must be at least 1 lakh crores.
1 lakh crores.
Double of what I might have.
गाली देना पड़ेगा इस पे.
Yeah.
I can't stomach this kind of success. Yeah. I feel uncomfortable. In fact, the sounds you might hear throughout the show is because, of the stomach rumbling that happens. Such bolo. So unfortunately, we can't do anything about this, guys. We do apologize. Jatin, I apologize. But the building is being constructed. Welcome to Mumbai.
No, that's the same thing in Delhi also.
No, we try to tell them, but nobody listens.
But I've heard the stories about how Bandra is being dug up and there's a whole historical monument underneath.
This is 1947. It's going on. There's no change.
Yeah. So I don't know how we got those TV shows, and that gave us the confidence of just bullshitting our way into anything. And and then we were all like really into bad movies and watching really shitty movies. So we thought, why not? There's no one doing Golden Raspberries.
To be fair, before your Golden Kela, we had at MTV, remember our boss Alex Kurbala, and we had a big meeting about doing the Raspberries, our version.
Yeah.
And we had taken it quite far, including getting a sponsor, and then somehow something happened. I don't know what happened. There's some incident happened which caused it to be derailed and whatever.
No one ever wanted to sponsor an award show.
No, the actors refused to come.
Yeah.
That's why we stopped, because nobody was willing to come. We had done a whole list and we called them up, because without them, what is the point?
Yeah.
Then we'll only be honoring them and the shadow is there. And, we even thought of doing the doubles, but it doesn't work. It's just ridiculous.
We also thought of the doubles.
Yeah.
We got the budgets for Devanand and the fake Shah Rukh Khan also. But it didn't work. But we did it for fun, and we thought Raspberry is already gone. Kela is the funniest sounding word.
It's a Desi concept.
Yeah,
if you're going in the same direction, I think Kela was spot on.
Kela was excellent.
And Golden is lovely. The paradox of Golden Kela. It's lovely. Yeah.
And it just took off from there. It never made any money, but it was so much fun to do. And
did they ever come?
No, only one person, a lyricist, came to pick. There was a lady, Anvita Dutt. I think she wrote the song Ishq Wala Love, and we thought it deserved a Golden Kela.
Was it really bad?
It was the lyrics were so amazing.
Can you remember them?
It literally says Ishq Wala Love.
Please, instead of looking at your phone, tell us what Ishq Wala Love ka lyrics are.
He's singing it also.
He must be the son of the Anita.
She was so. She came in a Sabyasachi. She pointed that
Wow.
out. She came. She was such a great. She was the only person, you know.
I wish they would do that, but no, what's the big deal?
Because and I remember she said कि मैंने जब ये गाना बनाया था मुझे बोला था आपको award मिलेगा पक्का इस पे. We gave her the Golden Kela and she came, she took it. But she was the only person who came genuinely.
But there have been some really bad lyrics, to be fair.
Yeah.
I mean, especially the Hindi-English mixed lyrics, some of them sound ridiculously stupid. Yeah.
I got to know her then and she seemed like a very intelligent, sorted person.
The fact that she came.
Yeah, exactly. So I was like, okay, ठीक है, पैसे बनाने के लिए करना पड़ता है.
No, I think it's the same as when you have a very ugly child and you take them out in public. You're not ashamed. You know, you allow
क्या
it to.
कर सकते हो, प्यार करते हो.
Exactly. Prithvi, your comments? Please insert picture. Full family. Sorry. Then sorry, we have an internal shit going on here. From time to time, we'll segue, just ignore it, drink your coffee, and carry on. So coming back to this idea that you did this stuff with Channel V, I guess you started feeling a little more confident because now you're doing things and then people are buying your.
Imagine I'm like 24, 5, and this thing is going really well. It's a lot of money. I'm like, I can do anything. So everything became a side business. The TV shows were bankrolling everything, and we thought, okay, Golden Kela में पैसे नहीं बनते, कोई देने को ready नहीं है. It's a lot of fun, but let's think of something else. And the idea was, okay, we publish comic books. Let's create our own Comic Con because we could sell it. Sell our own books there, and then worst case scenario, nothing happens. We'll get a Wikipedia entry के first time India में Comic Con हुआ था, हमने किया था. That's how it started off. But it actually made money. So
before we were coming back to Golden Kela, I'm just thinking, so if those actors turned up, not all, even if you got maybe 30-40% of the awards,
we would have probably,
your sponsors would have lined up.
Yep.
Everybody, TV would have accepted it, and then internet as the world progressed, and it would have gone to another level only. Because in Hollywood it does well, right?
No.
No?
In fact, I think we probably, I mean, from what I understood, they got some celebrities over the years.
Sly Stallone and all have gone, as far as I remember.
I think Halle Berry went.
What, the Catwoman, no?
yeah.
I mean, she knew she was getting
But they did it just like us, in a random hall with the family, friends, having fun and, doing it. But they've consistently done it. We unfortunately were like, yaar, ye bahut paise lag rahe.
Bro, I don't understand why people don't line up for these awards. If you're asking me to watch proper Oscar or proper Filmfare versus the anti-one, I'd watch the anti-one.
Yeah, and
it's
also
so much more fun.
But अब इतना सब कुछ ही गंदा बनता है. उस वक्त there were still like good movies and bad movies. Now everything is bad. I mean, 90%.
You can't stand out if everything is bad. It's
tough.
Everything
is bad. So like, how many Kelas could we give out now? I mean, I thought about it a lot of times. Okay, should we bring it back? But
you could do like in whole Bollywood gets the Golden Kela.
The country runs out of all Kelas.
We
spray painted everything golden and we gave it out to everyone. But I think it's finished.
I have a great tagline for yours.
Yeah.
For your next Golden Kela. Is your Kela bigger than mine?
I think we've used that.
Damn you. Yeah. Fucking 3 jokes and we have to share them.
Also, like, is your Kela still green and hard or is it soft and yellow or whatever?
Soft and yellow.
Yeah.
Move on. Sorry, so let's get back to now Comic Con. So then Golden Kela, sadly, this is the problem with the world. What is really fun, they don't want to ever see and do. And people take themselves too seriously. I don't know when that's going to change. In the meantime, I wish you would revive it at some point with the next generation or whatever.
I'm officially retired. I have nothing to do.
I know, I read that. Is that really true?
Yeah, it's true.
But you're too young to retire, no?
No, I mean, I'm not retiring like forever, but I think
it's not sannyas.
No, not completely, but
are you having an affair?
No.
What's going on?
I've just been married. Yeah, क्या बात कर रहे हो? But
affair timing is there's no blueprint about when exactly. Right?
No, but I think I'm gonna take a break and then do something more insane, probably. Hopefully.
It's amazing like you've already done something in your life and you can push it aside and say, I got to figure out what to do next. That doesn't happen to everyone. Most of us struggle with whatever till we die.
Yeah, I know. I'm extremely lucky and very privileged because of that. But तो उसका फायदा उठाना है. Because not everyone gets a chance, so may as well burn that chance as much as possible.
Never get stale. No? That's the whole idea about people who can do this. Yeah. Let's call it a startup and do another one after that.
Fair enough.
Because it's an artistic startup as well. It's not just a startup per se. Let's get back to Comic Con. So now going back, I did some research, or rather Prithvi the Great, who's now watching erotic films in Malayalam for some reason behind her back while the show is going on. Such disrespect for the host. Don't worry, Anupam Kher was here the other day. Same thing. So it doesn't matter. High profile, Comic Con, wherever you're from, same thing. How your mom was the one who pushed you into reading comics?
Yeah.
which is very amazing because I remember growing up, and we're not that far apart in age, so don't mind. My mom and dad used to tell us to not read the comics. They used to get, back in the late 80s and early 90s, mid 80s or whatever it was.
My mom thought I would read more books because of it.
No, that's the opposite. Like, you don't read books, you'll end up reading comics. So it's like, short format. Like T20 was the test.
No, I think my mom had it right. If you start reading,
So you're saying my mom was wrong?
probably.
जानते हो मेरी माँ कौन है? अबे दिल्ली बैंचोद. Just this is the way we talk in the Gurgaon. यार. Don't act tough, yeah.
हाँ, अगर एक बेंचो नहीं आता तो फिर how can you have a
How much is a kasakai, just so that I don't get sent to Pondicherry. I have to be careful.
No, yeah, but I don't know. My mom thought, your English would improve and you would read more books if you read comics.
For me, it's a very futuristic approach and visionary approach.
Totally.
Because most parents in middle class India were like, mat padho, read the books.
Yeah,
It's like we're cheating the books. But she actually understood because some of these comics when we were growing up, they're fabulous.
Yeah.
Just the fabulous. If you look at the panoramic view of the comic and what it brings you, it's really fabulous.
You get really excited, especially when it's the superhero stuff. But even when you're younger and you discover Amar Chitra Katha or something, it's a lot of fun.
Them.
Yeah, so you collect them and it's a... I got started there and it was a constant part of my life. I never realized that I would end up working in it, but yeah.
I love the thought bubbles in Amar Chitra Katha because firstly it would be in English, and the thought bubble of a great king like Prithviraj Chauhan, and the thought bubble is, my horse has to get faster. And I'm thinking, in the middle of some big battle, is that really? वो भी अंग्रेजी में और यही line है, ये उसका सोच है, and the great Prithviraj Chauhan, 7-foot guy, on the horse, he has to go quicker. I love that. Commandos had a very...
Yeah.
Hitler
the British were the ones who only fought the World War II. Everyone else was siding.
And Hitler, they made into they lampooned him so much, in a sense, without trying to. So Hitler would be hailing himself. Have you seen those bubbles? So somebody goes, Heil Hitler, and in this thought bubble, they're saying, Heil myself. Which is not incorrect. It's quite, I don't know.
That's such a Mel Brooks wala thing.
Yeah.
He keeps saying, Heil myself.
So let's talk comics for 2 minutes before we get back into your Comic-Con adventure. So what did you like?
I used to love reading. I started with Tintin, Asterix, all the regular stuff.
Tonton.
Yeah, and
like Russian Toto. Well, it is Toto. Isn't it Toto in French? Belgian है भाई.
नहीं कहाँ से?
तो वो N silent है.
भाई मेरे को तो Tintin पता है.
यार अगर असली language में तो Belgian French जो है, the N is not pronounced.
You probably know better.
Is there anyone who speaks Franc? Franc बोलते हैं आप लोग? नहीं. You know where they speak French? Pondicherry. Call that camera guy. Ask him.
No, but the regular stuff, and then obviously superheroes.
Who is your favorite in Toto? In Tintin? In
Captain Haddock.
It's too good, yeah.
Yeah, he's too good. But yeah, and then favorite superhero was always Superman. Yeah,
but that was also a big clash. It's like India-Pakistan. Superman versus Batman. It would be a rivalry when people who would prefer Batman.
Yeah, but for my logic, it was like the
Batman
guy's
has no talent.
He's like, he's a rich guy.
He's a rich guy who can do martial arts.
वो भी कितना such a arrogant guy कि he could be like, I'll solve all crime. So, but anyways, but Superman was like an alien, and he's literally called Superman. So
I was always thinking if they took it further and made Superman porn, where would we go?
They made the Puneet Isar movie Superman. Shakti Kapoor was Lex Luthor.
The guy who injured Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
He was. Puneet Isar.
They literally copied Dharmendra was his father, Kal-El. And then
Marlon Brando's character.
Yeah. And Puneet Isar was Superman, and Shakti Kapoor was Lex Luthor. And because rights were not an issue, so they just took the soundtrack from the actual 70s Superman and put it in this one.
Oh, badhiya. So
it was. The only thing was Superman is in Mumbai. So
what is he wearing?
The same costume with the S.
Blue and yellow and everything. And
blue
all
and red and the cape. Yeah, everything.
Wow. And no copyright issue. It was that bad that America said,
It was... I think they almost copied, not shot by shot, because that was New York. And,
but we used to do that, Baba. There's so many Hindi films where not the full movie, but scenes are cut to cut.
So they copied Metropolis to Mumbai, and
which became a medical lab. Today, Metropolis is a very famous medical lab here. I don't know about Delhi. Very big here. Yeah?
No, but
I know because Abesa has hemorrhoids, so we have to have him checked from time to time. Dikha na, ma? Ek baar dikha. Your super boils.
That's TMI, man.
Too much?
Yeah.
Welcome to Mumbai. We all live in one chawl, all of us together. We have to see each other's hemorrhoids. Usha auntie dikhana. It's like that. It's just normal. Sorry, we are sidetracking again.
Yeah, but I'm used to that. Every time I met you, I've had like 5 different conversations.
Supermen. In Banter, we say, hey, Superman, man. What a cultural clash it would be now if we really look at different parts of India with the Superman. What if Bengal, what would happen? Yeah? Super! Superman!
Yeah, exactly.
Parties! Fine!
He would be slightly more communist in his outlook.
He'd be loud.
Well, yeah.
You'll hear Superman coming.
He would smoke.
100%.
He would smoke.
After 6, you can't get him. He's drinking. He's having a good time. I'm going for movie. Salt Lake City. I'm watching Mohan Bagan.
Yeah, so many stereotypes. But yeah.
Our thing is do the stereotype in the other state. So you're in this state, now you do the other state.
Yeah.
When you go back to Delhi, you stop Delhi.
No, but Puneet Asar was a Punjabi Superman.
You've been scarred by all.
तभी तो Golden Kela
Punjabi
किया.
Superman तो S तो नहीं होगा उसमें ना. It's man. Oh, I'm calling it man. Spur. नाम Superman.
But पता नहीं क्या
You say
सोच.
Superman Paji?
पाजी नहीं बोला उसने.
But I mean, you got to take the whole thing, yaar. You can't go halfway.
I wish they had done it. Yeah, it would be so more intense.
Captain.
Because they.
Hey, this is fun. Do this, yeah. That's your idea.
Nee, so okay, so a lot of people have been asking what are you going to do. I said I've been saying this the entire week. I'm going to make a movie. Either it'll be so great you'll remember it, or it'll be so bad you'll still remember it. So either I'll give myself a Golden Kela or an Oscar, but I'm going to make a movie. And everyone, I will also call you, and you will have to be cast as well.
Very safe bet to get the worst only. No? And if it does well also, you
No, but
got great talent out of nothing.
No. In the sense, mediocre नहीं होगी.
No,
Like-
you're right. In between is a waste of time.
I like a Jaane Bhi Diyaro or like a Jani Dushman. It won't be in the middle.
Don't pull your punches, Baba. but let's get back to the Punjabi Superman. So these things have scarred you a little bit. Like
Yes.
you remember them. You're so
Vividly.
clear in your detailing. I'm just thinking, like I remember 20 Saal Baad, Ramsey Brothers for us guys growing up and all.
Yeah.
Not the greatest film ever made, Greenish Blood and all that. I don't know if people have seen it. So
Like
there are few-
Veerana. For me, it was Veerana.
What was that about?
That was the guy, the elder brother from Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. It was his movie. And it was like some haveli पे जाते हैं वहाँ पे कोई आत्मा है जो मारती है whatever.
I mean, obviously.
But it was Ramsey Brothers movie, I think.
Yeah. Oh, it was beautiful. They're another level. But then again, they're talking to an India, or they thought they were talking to India, which was underdeveloped with the. So you just had to make sounds, and door had to open, and you didn't have to do more than that. The logic was not important, because you need that logical premise for a horror to work, right?
Yeah.
At the beginning, at least.
No, I mean, like, there's this guy called Harinam Singh. He made a lot of B movies. He made this movie called Khuni Dracula. It's one of the greatest horror movies ever made.
Yeah.
It has this great Punjabi actor Amrit Pal, and he's a Dracula जिसको कोई खून डाल के जिंदा करता है, फिर वो उसको सुपारी दे के मरवाता है लोगों को, उसमें ड्रग्स बेच रहा होता है जो विलन है, ड्रग्स कैसे स्मैक वो खाते हैं ऐसे. And
ये connection क्या है? Why is he selling drugs?
मतलब the guy who's basically controlling the Khuni Dracula is a drug pin
Lord.
as well, yeah, drug lord. And
So they had to become a modern context. So they had to get this
it
drug
just
empire.
that movie is basically 5 different movies stitched together, but Khuni Dracula, and has a intense
But you appreciate that. See, you could
I
see
do.
कि boss इसके पास
I still watch
इतना
it.
vision है, 5-6 different tracks.
मैं तो बहुत ही जूनियर लेवल फैंस हूँ. देयर आर अदर फैंस इन मुंबई जो कि उससे जाके मिल चुके हैं, you know, people who dedicate their entire social media to it.
I think so. You're going to build a mandir for all these great actors and all. Sometimes do it for the right film also.
The biggest Golden Kela that we had, you weren't there for it, but we hosted Kanti Shah, and we gave him a platinum Kela. We appreciated his achievements genuinely, like as fans, and he came down. He came for the show. I mean, that was the biggest.
He's America based.
No, Bombay.
Bombay based.
It was like a fit guy back then, and he used to work with this actress Sapna, and she also came along with him, and it was such a treat to meet.
The audience standing ovation, all that.
मतलब जितने बचे थे ऑडियंस में लोग, बिकॉज हमारा शो बहुत लेट हो गया था, सब चले गए थे. दैट्स हाउ गोल्डन केला यूजुअली वर्क्स. बट इट वाज अमेजिंग. एंड गुंडा का डायरेक्टर राइटर, यू नो, आई मीन टू क्रिएट समथिंग लाइक दैट यू नीड टैलेंट.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's why
I'm just looking at the room. Other people who are scarred by the same art form.
No, I mean the Gunda opening sequence is the most shared YouTube video probably. You know, the amount of people who discover it every year is just, and their minds are blown. Like ये क्या है?
So you're saying you have to next generation को सिखाना पड़ेगा.
सिखाना पड़ेगा.
Watch this.
कि ये जो आप घटिया फिल्म्स अभी देख रहे हो, ये तो बहुत ही mediocre है. असली level की बनती है.
Mediocre घटिया film. You understand what that means?
Yeah, I mean.
One second, it's not your podcast. Calm down. Sorry.
No, but
Gunda.
But like, yeah, to make a really like iconically bad film, तो talent चाहिए होता है उसके लिए.
Yeah. And consistently bad.
Consistently
you
bad.
can't find 1 minute of credibility. so you'd think up and down तो ठीक है, और कभी-कभी they've taken a liberty and it's not making sense, but the whole thing.
I mean, उस पूरी picture में everyone's talking in rhymes. All the dialogues are rhyming.
Really?
Yeah.
Even the dialogue when you're aggressive dialogues like fighting.
Everything is like rhyming and like ridiculous.
Do you remember any of the dialogues?
उसमें उसकी बहन मर जाती है, मुन्नी मुन्नी मेरी बहन, मुन्नी मेरी बहन मर गई, तू मर गई. तुझे बुल्ला ने क्या something. I'm sorry.
He remembers.
माँ मेरी
नहीं वो तो माँ में वो तो
नाम है बुल्ला.
मैं रखता हूँ खुला, वो तो चलो. या
माँ मेरी चुड़ैल.
वो नहीं, वो है ईबू हटेला.
ईबू हटेला.
हाँ, ईबू हटेला. मेरा नाम है ईबू हटेला. माँ मेरी चुड़ैल की बेटी, बाप मेरा शैतान का चेला, खाएगा केला. I mean, imagine to write the amount of talent you need to write something like that.
How many takes would you take? Because I expect the actor to be laughing. So I'm thinking.
Asha, can I tell you something?
कम से कम होना.
That actor now is part of the MCU.
What?
Yeah.
What?
The guy, you'll know his face. He's a very talented actor, but he's now part. He was the father. He was the assistant to that Eternals में जो कुमेल नांजियानी, the Pakistani.
कौन है, नाम क्या है?
That guy bulk guy.
I'm just completely blanking on his name.
But the Desi guy who's in the MCU.
You have seen him in movies.
Not like a Cal Penn, like a Desi Indian guy.
Desi Indian guy, and he's also come in a recent indie movie called A Nice Indian Boy. He's the father. He's the husband to Zarna Garg, and
which is like a parallel cinema.
Like it's a nice new indie movie that's
nothing
come
close
out.
to.
Nothing. No. But he's a very talented actor. But obviously, yaar.
Majboori bhi hai.
I mean, to be
get what you get sometimes.
Ibu Hatela and then be in Marvel Universe, dude. Come on.
Bro, I mean
that arc.
I mean, it's also an opportunity. Perhaps
exactly.
he was young and this is what he got, and sometimes you don't know what you're doing.
But when that guy made Gunda, one of the actors is Shakti Kapoor was in it. Like. Mithun is in it, and then he also made Loha, which had I think Dharmendra also in it. So ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ही छोटी मूवी का छोटा डायरेक्टर था, but then Gunda was his like Kanti Shah's epic.
His gift to the nation.
Yeah, gift to the nation. It is a gift that keeps giving.
Yeah. Next generation.
Someone, I think one couple of years, like 10, 15 years ago, kids in IIT, one of the IITs, they drove the ranking for that movie up to 9.9 on IMDb.
Wow.
Yeah.
Harish Patel.
Who's Harish Patel?
Yeah.
He's quite a known actor.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
I didn't realize. So, boss, कभी-कभी क्या होता है कि I don't want to use the word prostitution, but you just take different forms of, especially character actors. You take all kinds of work. You're not quite clear what you're doing. And then you see it on, come on, when he hears the dialogue.
No, I doubt he would be proud of it because, it's such an iconic character. What a dialogue.
Oh, you're discussing it. He's done so much other work and you can't remember it, a lot of it, but you remember this clearly.
I remember this clearly. I've seen him, growing up in so many movies.
Yeah. Right? He's all over.
He was also in...
he also did a Shakespeare play in the middle, in England.
Yeah, I'm sure he's a brilliant actor.
In English.
He was in Andaz Apna Apna also. He was the guy जो उनको रात को rent देता है room में और फिर दोस्त भी बन जाता है अगले दिन.
Which is typically a Mumbai experience.
Yeah. No, that was Mumbai, I think.
Mumbai
They were shooting in Ooty and saying it's Mumbai.
That's okay, Baba. Now you're being too critical here. This Golden Killer has to have a limit.
नहीं मैं ये पक्का decide किया जब movie बनाऊंगा ऊटी में एक scene होगा.
You do remember there was a period where they would shoot these films in 2 weeks. Mithun.
Because he had his own hotels or property there or something.
And the big stars, like if you get Dharmendra or somebody come, he just does close-ups in one day.
Yeah.
And that's it. And then the rest is somebody else is doing everything.
Exactly.
5 lines of dialogue and close-up, ho gaya. Fir Shakti Kapoor bola, 5 lines. So a great way to shoot actually.
Yeah, but I'm gonna. It's if wherever I look, it's a clearly an exercise of burning money. So may as well enjoy
It's
it.
not. You know, all of us are appreciating it. I think it can be marketed and we can go and watch it. Do you remember Ed Wood?
Yeah,
That film it did well.
Yeah.
It's a tribute to a guy who's
To
horrible.
made- yeah,
Yes or no?
I-
And they recreate that.
Exactly, and I watched that movie. Then
Yeah.
I went into a deep dive. And I watched Plan 9 from Outer Space, the movie that he's trying to make
Correct,
in that.
yeah.
And
The action.
Yeah, actual. So it was, मतलब talent चाहिए था उसके लिए भी यार कि मतलब दिमाग कितना हिला हुआ होगा to.
I mean, like you said, either you go this way or that way. There's
Yeah,
no point being
exactly.
in the middle.
But
yaar.
what I was saying was कि I'll do it old school style. I'll do a Mahurat also.
Of
I'll
course.
do वो like proper. I'll लहरे वाला logo लगा के I'll do the whole
हाँ,
shoot.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
ठीक है? I want, like, you know, on Facebook these days, people are discovering Lehre probably dumping all their old videos on it. And you're like, look at all of this. What the fuck were they doing?
What I miss is the picture of the founding father, which is always there. In the
Yeah.
film, yaar. वो तस्वीर का shot, and then you know the movie is rubbish, but that solemnness of that moment, where some poor hardworking grandfather brought his 10
And then
rupees and gave it to you.
completely shifts into some bullshit.
Yeah, bullshit.
That starts.
Yeah, the Suhag Raat, and they're both fully clothed and there's sounds happening, bus.
Yeah, like there's certain scenes
Bit like Prithvi's love life.
like Suhagrat, Lal, वो दूध लेके आना है, हल्दी वाला, or like shit like that. That it has to be an epic Bollywood movie.
And movies in 70s and 80s, the husband would call the wife like she's far away when she's close.
Yeah.
No. Like, Rani! Rani's right there. तो रानी को क्यों बुलाता है ऐसा? Is Rani deaf?
से उसी पे आइडिया पे एक कॉमिक भी बनाई थी, विधवा माँ अंधी बहन, जिसमें वो हीरो की हमेशा विधवा माँ एक अंधी बहन होती है. तो they said fuck this guy, we are going to solve all problems. So they become a crime fighting duo in Bollywood. So that was a comic book I made with a writer.
So these ideas are your own?
No, there's a lot of riffing. Like I know the Vidwa Man Andhi Man was a thing stuck in my head because you'd always see them.
Then you collaborate with others.
And there was a joke also in Andaz Apna Apna, जिसमें वो कह रहा है मेरी विधवा माँ अंधी बहन. It cuts to a scene where there's a अंधी बहन चक्की पीस
Which
रही
is
है, विधवा माँ
politically
रो रही
incorrect
है.
for us to discuss, but anyway.
But it was, and that's how. And then one of the people who worked with me, he was a really great writer. He's still a great writer. So he wrote up the whole story. He took it to a different level. But yeah, it was so much. I mean, those crazy, stupid ideas, man. So
Okay, Jatin, I'm watching the clock there because we have only so much time.
Yeah.
Because the municipality has told us that,
Totally.
they'll stop the banging. I hate using this phrase, stop the banging. अगर banging बंद कर दे तो how can we be 1.4 billion?
no, 1.6 है sir.
Who said लगाओ? Overnight they told me it's 1.6. Just 2 weeks back 1.4.
वो सेंसस नहीं
कितना
हुआ है.
सेक्स करते हैं आप लोग?
सेंसस नहीं हुआ है.
नॉर्थ में करते हैं आप लोग, हम लोग नहीं करते हैं.
North
हम
में
लोग के पास
करते
जगह नहीं है. रास्ता, we don't have roads to walk on. Where?
आप कभी गुड़गांव आना देखोगे कितनी जगह है तो they're like now I get it.
See, I'm saying not voluntary sex, but sex तो होता है. We'll take a break.
It's time. Create the life you've always dreamed of. Join me, Ashton Doctor, on a journey of self-discovery, productivity, and wellness. In just a few minutes, we'll bring you practical insights and actionable tips to help you build positive habits that stick. Tune in to The Compounding Mindset, brought to you by Access Mutual Funds. Subscribe to the podcast now and start your transformation today. Don't wait. Do it now. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
Okay, back here with Jatin. I think he thought it was a long break, but as usual, the break is like my mind, going nowhere. I just saw a look in his eyes. He will take a break. I think he thought he'll go to the toilet and have coffee. This is a scene from Gunda. Break ke baad, हाँ बोलो. Yeah, so where were we? But these ideas, and the funny part is no one has, you've exploited it to some extent, but it's still not become a massive movement. I would think that a lot of people would love this and you have a lot of following.
I think
I'm talking about Golden Kera, I'm not talking about Comic Con.
No, I know.
We'll come to that.
I think वो थोड़ा सा people की habit change हो गई in terms of what they're consuming. Everyone's like has a very short attention span. घटिया movies बनना मतलब उस level की बंद हो
Remember
गई.
how we used to love the critic in the
Yeah,
print
yeah,
zamana?
yeah.
The critic who's funny, sarcastic, and once he gets it right, because you've seen the film, like Gunda, for example, and he says the right things, and it just hits home. It's superb, yeah.
Now it's just some guy on Instagram doing a reaction video
Yeah,
to oh I just discovered this, or see my reaction to it.
I feel internet there's also black and white most of the time. No? They're either pro or against. It's like we take a side.
There's no
and that's it.
context.
No context.
So it's just random shit. So, but yeah, I mean, I think eventually it'll come back. Everything has a cycle.
No, I like it when he starts writing something like, not Khalid Mohammed, Mayank Shekhar actually.
Mayank Shekhar, yeah.
Very good.
My
Like,
school senior.
There you go. And he begins with things like, the sad part of this movie, next movie, is I cannot get my afternoon back. He starts with that, I am glued. I'm like, bro, mere ko padna hai abhi. And then you cannot stop me reading this. The man is going to vent. Because, you feel that. You can feel that.
Yeah.
Which school is this?
DPS Archibram.
Wow.
Not very proud of it now.
Delhi
but
Public. So he's senior, is it, man?
Yeah, he was,
He's been
I
on
think.
this podcast.
Yeah,
Exactly.
I'm sure.
It's two now, from the same school.
Yeah, DPS Archibram. Very notorious school now.
He's a lovely mind. And he's very interesting. And
Very.
he's actually quite a funny man.
He's a very funny guy, yeah.
Yeah. And he's in-depth knowledge about film.
Yeah,
He would
absolute.
probably also know the bad ones, the really bad ones.
Yeah, he does, which is why that's how I connected with him. And so my best friend in life, his elder brother is Mayank's best friend.
Okay.
And so my best friend and his elder brother run a movie theater in Bihar. So a single screen movie theater. So all my
What pictures run there? Single screen in Bihar.
they run mainstream movies.
Mainstream will run?
Yeah. And
Like
then
Sikandar will run.
Yeah, Sikandar will run and he'll say कि अगर चलेगी तो नई गाड़ी खरीद सकते हैं हम. But like he has, but obviously it's been running for a very long time, since like 80s. So they've had all sorts of movies play in it. And
Did films like Gunda have a good run?
I think they
In single
did.
screen
I mean,
now?
that's what I've been told. That's what I've
So
been
who are
told.
we to say anything?
No, we're not. No one to say. I'm not saying it's a bad movie. I'm saying it's an amazing movie.
Yeah.
उसको तो
No, I'm just saying, we forget the point that we are making fun and all, but it's almost like you're intellectually trying to be from another position.
No,
but
no.
people are lapping it up. I'm just saying.
No.
So that, in a sense, you can't blame the guy who's made the film because people are saying, okay, मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
I can watch this.
Yeah.
Alfred Talk is still screens Coolie number 1.
Coolie number 1 is
कौन
about,
सी?
45 rupees.
I don't know if you heard
अपना
that.
गोविंदा movie ना. Yeah, excellent movie.
And the house is full.
Coolie number 1, according to him, is still being shown in Mumbai,
Alfred Talk is.
Alfred Talkies, and Govinda himself goes to watch it.
I'm sure.
that part is not clear. That part is not clear.
Govinda यार, come on.
But what Govinda was, and then now the stories we hear, also, I feel a little bad. Yeah.
Yeah, I do, but but the Govindas of the
I
90s.
think this generation don't understand how talented he was.
Oh, yeah.
Like in terms of comedy, dance, all
And he was
that.
a dancer also, na?
Fantastic.
Yeah,
Timing
yeah.
was fabulous.
I remember his serious movie where he's taking care of his orphan boy who can't speak. This is a very old 80s movie where it's a dramatic movie. So it
I would
was,
have cast Jugal Hansraj for that. That's just me. The Jugal's a friend. We can say that.
yeah, but yeah. So Govinda, to, मतलब if I see Govinda, I'll be starstruck.
But he's made duds. He's made a few duds. But
Yeah,
who hasn't?
But that's okay.
Including in Hollywood and Bollywood and all. People
Everything
make,
you do can't
yeah.
be great.
Yeah, I mean, tell me about it. Go. Watch it, man. Heavy breathing. I said, this guy is like that. You know that kid, over into nephew of yours, who, when you tell him, ab funeral pe pahunch gaya, chup, and then he starts talking loudly. That's this guy. Bola Prithvi, kya hai?
Vasan Bala made a documentary fiction series called Cinema Marche.
Come and use the mic now.
Yeah.
Vasan.
A lot of the people I was saying who are bigger fans of it are the people who worked on that, of the stuff that I was talking about, worked on that documentary, yeah.
No, I'm just thinking that there's a market. See, look at this room where while we're recording about 8-9 people here, everybody likes this format.
Of
So
course.
there's a market.
Yeah.
So what we're talking about, everybody's relating to it. And they like the fact that, duds are also fun. Maybe it's like a de-stressing thing, yeah.
It is
Like Golden
completely-
Killer, the energy, the couple of years that I went, the room, whatever we had, I know you had limited funds and smaller rooms and all in the beginning, but people, the energy in the
No,
was
they
fabulous, yeah.
we supplied enough alcohol and it was really funny.
मतलब
People
अच्छा
really,
mood में आ गया लोग।
people really acknowledged कि हाँ ये सच्ची में कितना घटिया था and it was funny to watch it,
Yeah. I feel a lot of bonding that would happen.
Oh,
because
yeah.
the moment, like how we are doing right now, you're recalling it and you're thinking.
Yeah.
And in a way, I hope there's no malice. There's no malice.
No, there's
We
no
actually had
malice.
fun. Yeah.
It was a lot of fun and it was not mean or personal. It was just, everyone does stupid things. I have done it, so right. I would, and मैं तो बोल
It's
ही
no
रहा
longer
हूँ.
a stupid thing. It's serving society.
It's actually you're right. It is serving. It's serving a purpose. It's serving society, and we're only highlighting how great it is at being bad.
Or let's lose the word bad. Let's call it different.
Different. Yes.
Different भी एक चीज़ है.
Different. Yes.
In fact, all the time they tell you कि कुछ different बनाओ, different करो, different,
Yes.
different all the time.
तो बना दिया.
हाँ.
Exactly.
And now we shouldn't hold them.
No,
we should.
no, but it was always fun. It was never mean, and we never made cheap jokes. And
I mean,
yeah,
you're the guy who wants to give them an award.
yeah.
What more can you do?
I mean, and I would have अगर कोई कहता हाँ ना तो मैं कोशिश करता फ्लाइट के पैसे भी अरेंज कर लूँ मैं. But
I wish they would have come. It would have been so much fun if the stars don't take themselves so seriously. They must know they make rubbish sometimes.
of course they know. I'm sure. I mean, and you have to, right? Everything you can't make can't be a gem, right? So,
Also, you can't be responsible for everything. Like
No.
you have not seen the dialogue before. Now, on the middle with like 800 people on the set and all, बीच में क्या करेगा आप?
अगर किसी को कुछ प्रॉपर्टी खरीदनी है और पैसे की जरूरत है तो वो कर रहा है,
Exactly.
right?
हाँ, अगर आपका डिवोर्स चालू है,
हाँ.
no names. It can't.
वो लग नहीं रहा उसने शादी की अभी यार.
शादी नहीं किया. He's come from Guwahati with a fresh perspective. He's buried the wife under the floorboards.
Okay, that took a very dark turn.
आ गया.
Cooney Dracula में the way they raised the dead body was pouring some blood on the ground.
Superb. And the thing is, why is that walk always tilted, you know? When the scary guy is coming, or lady, the Noori and all that. It's always a stilted, like mannered walk.
Yeah, and
But normal walk नहीं करते ये लोग.
you were like, यार इससे तो मैं भी भाग जाऊंगा, ये तो zombie से भी slow चल रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Like, yeah, like no aggression in it.
Like they're on that slow treadmill, you know? What's going on? But again, we are fans, so that's the main thing. Let's get into Comic Con. We're starting to run out of time.
Okay.
So Comic Con, first of its kind venture. You started really small, and today, I mean, it's grown out of control. It's now what, 5 cities?
It's 8 cities.
8 cities with plans for more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's I mean it grew out of a.
Who are you trying to get? The comic nerd? Who are you trying to get?
No,
initially?
we're trying to get, obviously we're trying to serve the comic book nerd, and they're very difficult to kind of please. But then a large chunk of our audience are people who are like casual fans, like you must have heard of a superhero or watched a film, so you're there to enjoy yourself. So it's a very open sort of.
Who doesn't like comic books? And people lie if they've not had some comic book influence. It's impossible for me to believe.
Everyone says, "Oh, मैंने बचपन में पढ़ी थी," तो but आप अभी क्यों नहीं पढ़ रहे हो? पढ़नी चाहिए.
अभी तो life भी एक चीज है ना.
It is a great escape. It's an amazing medium, and in fact, the biggest myth in India is that everyone thinks it's about kids. It's not. It's actually for young adults or adults. Most comics are made for
Look
adults.
the way they dress, underwear outside and all. It's not for children.
Yeah.
Children don't watch this shit, yaar. The way all the females, some of them are revealing clothes and all that.
Yeah.
I used to watch Catwoman only for that. I put the sound off. I mean, plot तो इतना खास तो नहीं है, but you know, whatever, yeah. Yeah. No, but the thing is that I was just thinking Big Bang Theory, if you remember,
Yeah.
for example, they have these characters, 3-4 of them who are crazy about comics.
Exactly.
So does that happen? And I remember going to one in Delhi, one of the early years,
Yeah.
and there was a lot of people who are crazy about comics. And they've come there and they want to discuss comics. So they're
Yeah.
like how we cricket lovers are crazy about, real ones are crazy about cricket. They'll only talk cricket for 24 hours. So like that.
People, the best thing about Comic Con is you make friends. You meet people who are into the same thing as your interests, and then you become friends. Some of my closest friends now in life are people I met at Comic Con. There are people who have, they come dressed up as their character. People who run up to you and be like, "I'm a fan of this character. Can I take a picture?" And then they start.
So
talking
you don't
about
tell
it.
them to dress up as a character?
No, not at
Is
all.
it like a mandrake or whatever? Somebody will
No,
come.
people come dressed up as their favorite characters on their own. We do contests and give out a lot of prizes, but that's just to
So who are
encourage
the most
people.
popular characters over the years that have come?
So in the beginning, it was a mixed bag of whatever people could put together. So you would see a Chacha Chaudhary, you could see some
There's
superheroes.
no copyright issues with this, no?
No, this is a fan
Bit late
dressing
to
up.
bring it up, but
No. This is a thing that happens across the world.
oh, is it? So they dress up as Superman or whatever? And
Everywhere,
there's no problem.
and amazing costumes, and most people build their own costumes.
Can you dress up as Donald Trump?
Yes.
In some eyes, he's a
There was a
superhero.
kid roaming around in one of the shows wearing a Donald Trump rubber mask and suit. Yeah, and
That was actual Donald
yeah,
Trump.
actually.
7 years old.
No, these days most people are dressed up in their favorite anime manga characters. Anime manga is really popular right
younger
now.
ones, anime manga.
It's and in the
Initially I thought it was like bad Hindi, kya manga? How we speak in Mumbai. No, that's what I felt. I didn't understand what they were talking about the first time I heard this damn thing concept.
manga means comic book in Japanese.
Japanese. I
And
found out.
anime is the animated version of either that comic book or anything, and that's the
So they've
most.
replaced our 80s, 90s sort of comic explorations. The
I mean,
Marvel Universe, Avengers.
Actually, the superheroes
like
are
Bahadur, Mandrake.
Bahadur though is like
Phantom.
Phantom. All the Phantom Bahadur
Yeah,
are kind of gone right now.
2 minutes silence.
But that's
for
no,
Phantom.
but you can still
How
get
can you-
those comics.
Phantom
Yeah.
was beautiful, yeah.
It is still.
Phantom rough on roughnecks, old
It's-
jungle saying.
You still
It's like Premchand.
the ghost that never sleeps.
There.
Yeah, and like
Ghost who
every time I
walks.
see someone with a big ring, I'm like,
He's not a
if
dog,
you
he's a
punch-
wolf.
yeah,
Yeah, that with the mark, no?
mark छोड़ के रहेगा. तेजा जैसे. But yeah, those.
How can you leave a mark by punching with a ring and then your pee is on your face? I mean,
He puts ink on it.
it puts ink on it, but even when I go for voting, and I go even when there's no voting, and I mean, Come on, they have to dabao it properly and I mean, it's a proper.
Are you traveling different countries, voting illegally in different elections?
Yeah, bro. I'm a what's it called, volunteer. Wherever there's liberal democracy, I go to the other side. Enough of this shit. Yeah. This woke culture has to end.
No, but
I was at the Habitat that day. I took my own tools. उन लोग के पास कुछ नहीं था हथियार. I got my own hockey stick. And then they said, not hockey today, very outdated, very 80s. So I had to then come back with a hammer and all that.
You probably had to say, ये क्या है? ये bat लग रहा but है नहीं.
No, you have to walk up steps and all that. It's not easy to break that place.
Yeah, I've been to that place.
So be careful. If you want to do that, always take a place which is ground floor only. Why go through all this up down,
lift होनी चाहिए at least.
So lift कितना लोग जाएंगे? How do you come like a big group when two people come out of the lift?
और मुंबई में वो पुरानी वाली lift होती है ना, where वो जाली बंद करो.
Stop flexing. I like those lifts because then I know that if you're going somewhere, the metal cage is like you're in a space odyssey or something. That's scary.
It's the most annoying part is if you don't shut it properly,
it doesn't go.
Yeah, it doesn't go. And you're like,
or it stops because it starts and stops. Boss, you don't know. Lift culture, make a movie.
It's scary.
Lift man is a hero.
Yeah.
A real hero.
Yeah,
a superhero.
Yeah.
Acha, what do you want in the middle, yaar? Boss, this guy, I don't know how he's the producer. Can you take him back? Do you have a big suitcase?
Yeah.
Take him back with you, na? His name is Prithvi Thakkar, mother. How do we work like this? Yeah? We are competing with the great Ranveer Alabadia. Professional outfit. हंसने की चीज नहीं है इसमें. Very professional. A very, very hard conversation. Nobody interrupts.
You have to start wearing those suits in a vest, na, फिर.
Boss, we thought if nothing else, we put boobs out there. तो कभी-कभी ये भी सोच है ना, आर्ट नहीं है, टैलेंट नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है तो boob दिखाओ. I mean male boobs, so I don't want any letters.
Man boobs.
Jatin doesn't want any letters, please.
No, please.
We are very fond of males. Just go to the dressing room in Delhi Gymkhana and woo. Sir.
Clearly, आप जा चुके हो.
सारे जिमखाना एक ही है. See, older men who want to take their clothes off for some reason and parade. I have gone all over the country. It's the same story.
You know, it's funny. I remember last time probably I met you was at a Bombay wala Gymkhana.
Bombay Gymkhana?
Yeah.
Were you drinking?
No, we met you for writing some scripts. This is a long time back.
Oh.
Yeah, I remember you were joking कि ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं है मैं साइकिल चला के आया हूँ तो expect मत करना ऐसे ऐसे आपने बोला था.
That was stationary cycle. It's not going anywhere. Comic-Con.
Yeah.
So, just give an overview of exactly what all happens in Comic-Con for people who've never been, and since there's so many cities and growing, there's an opportunity for people who are watching to actually go there.
Yeah, so Comic-Con is like a pop culture event. It starts with comic books, movies, television, but anything and everything that you might be consuming as content is part of it. It's an exhibition come entertainment event. So you come in, you shop, you watch some performances, you cosplay.
So in performance, I know there's some stand-up.
There's stand-up, there's music.
There's discussions?
There is workshops, there are panels with
artists. What is a comic workshop, but what exactly happens?
So depending on who's there, either it'll be an artist telling you how to put together a comic book, or it'll be a really popular writer who's telling you about his latest series. And we have international artists and writers coming in, the best Indian artists and writers coming in. So there's a lot to do, and even if you're not into all of this, you still get to enjoy a day out, and it's a very family-friendly event as well. We've been doing it for about 15 years now, and last one for me was just yesterday.
Oh, by the way, he's come. His entire team, they've been, I won't say consuming alcohol because that's not in our Sanskriti, but they had really late night.
Yeah.
All that hard work.
It was the most senti Comic-Con because it was the last Comic-Con for me ever.
But that could be like Imran Khan when he said he was leaving the captaincy and comes back and wins the World Cup.
Well, I mean,
Ratan Tata left the business and came back. And our Prime Minister is supposed to retire at 75. I mean, let's just keep everything open, Jatin. And
never say never. True.
Never say never.
Never say never.
But we'll feel your pain.
But yeah, I'm totally unemployed right now, which is why I'm here and hopefully looking for a job as well. In case you don't like your producer, I can.
So what? I don't like him. I just want to face the wall.
Okay.
but Jatin, coming back to the fact that now it's a well-oiled machine.
Yeah.
So it's going to carry on. It's like you've done your
bit but the entire team stays there. There's a new leadership team, and this year we did 8 cities: Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Calcutta, Pune.
Well, it began as like a family business.
No, it was just me and people who worked with me back then, who worked on my TV shows and publishing. And then it started from there. And then this is the 4th generation of a Comic-Con team.
It's about 12 or 13 years.
14 years. 14 plus years. Yeah.
14 plus years.
Yeah.
All right. So it carries on, but then obviously you're not going to stop.
I'm gonna stick around and advise them, but I'm not involved in it day to day. And now I want to make that movie, and
Yeah. Also, people probably won't get the fact that you have to spend months and months organizing it.
it takes about 6 to 8 months to organize one event. We work 2 years in advance, so we know the next Bombay Comic Con is happening when next year and the year after that. We book guests, get all our partners, studios, everyone to come on board. So it's a long, drawn-out process, and it starts. The season starts around October, goes all the way till April.
You think of going international because not just Desi community, more people can come.
So
our culture is spreading.
the company that acquired our company has a lot of plans. I'm hoping that they take it international as well.
Now the question that we have to ask, because we go back a long way, is when you talk about acquisitions and these kind of things, कितना पैसा मिला साला?
सर हाथ को आया मुंह को ना लगा सब टैक्स में चला गया.
डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर मत देना. अरे प्रियंका चोपड़ा मिस इंडिया कॉन्टेस्ट में this is not that जवाब. Give me hard figures.
Okay, the company was sold for 55 crores.
Not bad, brother.
Yeah, it was not just me, it was
Didn't
my
take him long
partner
to
as
tell
well.
us. So this is Delhi guys are very open.
No, actually, I'll tell you what, because I thought we would not disclose those figures, but the company is part of a listed company, so they disclosed
It's
everything.
anyway out there for
Yeah, so
public knowledge.
so everyone's like, वाह अच्छा पैसे मिले. मैंने नहीं सब टैक्स में चला
One
गया.
more crore we'd have made up tak 56. Missed it by 1 crore. Should have fought.
You know, seriously, that joke would have come up.
Yeah. So it would be fine.
And I don't
By the way,
think
that was a good movie, huh?
it was a good movie. It was a really
I
good
enjoyed
movie.
the film, yeah.
And क्या कहते हैं, I know a lot of people will not get that reference.
Yeah. And I have a moment in that film because my friend Kunal was in it. Don't ask me why Kunal, Mr. Vijayakar, Mr. India.
He's a big shot.
Yeah, but as a cop, firstly, it took 3 days to find a pant.
He became
Let me explain to you Indian police force issues, because I've spoken to some officers. They have only medium, large, medium, small. So usme kuch, I don't have, what is it? So one is 40 or something, one is 36 and one is 28. So nobody is of this exact thing. No? They're always either too big or too small. Yeah.
This is an actual story or
Yeah, actual story, yeah.
So उनकी पैंट
They
लूज
suffered.
थी.
No, honestly, they couldn't find a pant that fit. It wasn't shutting, and initially was sitting in the scene. They used to get up and take wafers from Nana Patekar or something, who's sitting a little away. So he used to get up, and the pant was coming off. So that becomes the issue. They had to pin it from the back and make sure he doesn't turn at any point and all that. And by the way, I believe Nana Patekar was moving the wafers to make him walk more. वो shot के बीच में. See, put your hand there, it's not there. Yeah. No, but I like that film. I honestly, Ram Gopal Verma. I know. I think what is his name? Mr. Amin. Shamit Amin.
The actual police
director,
guy. Yeah.
yeah.
The actual
The young guy from Canada or States or one of these places who came and shot it. So I love the format and the way it was done. Because early days of Ram Gopal Verma and the people who came out of that, I thought it was very good.
Yeah, that movie is
So
excellent.
We must have Ram Gopal Verma first half, Ram Gopal Verma second half.
Yeah,
is
first
very
half was
different.
like Satya, all of that.
All
right?
that.
And also many people came out of that.
Yeah, all decent films, yeah.
Dord
Con
was
Con
like,
was scary, yeah. I got scared.
Rangila?
Comic Con, I got scared.
What?
Oh.
God.
Sorry. I moved on. Rangila. Huh. Yeah. And then it slips. The Nishabd and all that starts going in
That's
another
okay.
direction. Anyway, it's not about him. So what you're going to make a movie? That's the plan going forward.
I want to, yeah.
Huh. And who have you got in mind?
अभी तक कोई है नहीं आपको आप प्लीज I went
सर
for-
आपके पास काउच है?
हाँ बहुत है बहुत बड़ा काउच
ठीक
है
है।
लेदर
मेरा नेबर मेरे पड़ोस के साथ में आएगा.
I went to a comedy show last year. I'm a big fan of Conan O'Brien. तो
You went to Conan? I love.
So I went. He did a live version of his podcast in US. I threw a fan question. They selected it, and I went up and I said, "I've come all the way from India. I've sold everything I had. I'm making a Bollywood movie. Will you come star in it?" He said yes.
He's great. You know why I like him the most? He's appears to be fully unprepared.
Yeah.
Which I love. So there's like one formal joke, and for 15 minutes he's talking rubbish.
He's
and
riffing
distracting
on
by
everything, yeah.
I just love that. Yeah.
He's a very. मतलब मैंने इंडिया वाला कार्ड लिया तो उसने झफी
What
वफी
did he say
मारी.
exactly?
He first asked me, "Are you bullshitting? That do you actually come from India?" I said yes, and then he jumped off the stage.
Sounds
Came.
like Sarkar only. कहाँ से? आधार कार्ड दिखाओ. Did you cross from Burma?
Jumped off the stage, came down, hugged me, took a picture.
Hugged you?
Yeah, hugged me, and I
He's
was
very
like,
Punjabi, yaar.
and मैंने
What's going on?
and then I told him like, long time fan, मैं 20 साल से झूठ बोल रहा हूँ कि मैंने
हिंदी में बात किया?
हाँ, exactly. I prepared in front of. I got to know that they selected my question 2 days in advance. I prepared for that in front of a mirror. Had
Are
a
you
couple of
kidding me?
shots. No,
You're
because
kidding me, no?
No, I'm not. I was so nervous.
What are you saying?
I was so nervous that there'll be 8,000 people in
But
that
he's never
theater.
been mean. He's
no,
naughty, but he's not mean.
He
Yeah.
pulls your leg,
Yeah.
but he was so
He
nice.
pulls his own leg also, so it's always
Yeah,
fun.
he's mostly making fun of himself.
yeah.
But I said, मैं Bollywood film बना रहा हूँ. I want you to be in it. He's like, yes. Now he said, you're bullshitting about this. I said, no, मैं बनाऊंगा. आपको आना पड़ेगा.
He's a
And
very bad dancer. He'll be perfect. Yeah.
yeah, the string dance, no?
Yeah.
Full.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, and I told him that
We'll get funding also from somebody.
probably उन्हीं से लेंगे. We'll ask him for some money. You know, dollar converted into rupees, a lot of money, yaar.
$3, we've already got day one.
Yeah, exactly.
It depends on this tariff issue, boss. This whole tariff issue is out of control. Let's see where we land up.
He had this whole backstory where he's banned from coming to India because he came and shot a commercial and he didn't get the right visa, so they banned him. I said, I have
Who banned him?
I don't know. He claims that. I said, I have all the
We only
connections.
ban our poor neighbors. We don't ban people from
I
America.
said, I said, I have all the connections. आपका visa सब हो जाएगा. बस आप आ जाओ. So
And सच में क्या है? You have no connections.
no.
वो एयरपोर्ट से फोन करेगा. Hi, Koran this side.
नहीं कुछ ना कुछ करेंगे. But yeah, that was like a fan moment. मैं 20 साल से लोगों को बोलता था कि I went and saw the late night show live. I didn't. I could not get in. But I bought a T-shirt and I still have it and I kept telling people that I saw it.
No, but I agree with you.
So
For me,
fine.
he's the best late night show host.
Yeah,
He's just
ever.
the most fun. He's very endearing. He's that that mix of endearing, funny,
It's
and it's
smart.
never boring.
It was never boring. Like he had this character, the masturbating bear.
Oh, I love that character, boss.
And then-
hey, Prithvi, masturbating bear is you. I'm not lying.
And then he had the guy who would preparation age वो hemorrhoid
Oh,
की मार के
yes, of
बांटता था
course.
with the
Yeah,
big
yeah.
ears.
Yeah.
It's just amazing.
And that Andy, his psychic-
Andy Richter, excellent. Like
and the thing is, it's good chemistry. It's never just pushing him down kind of thing. It works well.
it was very well. And remember, beach में he had this lever next to his seat, and every time he would pull it, it would cut to a random scene from Texas Walker Ranger, वो जो show था. I mean, he did
Chuck
like
Norris.
yeah, Chuck Norris, and he did crazy shit. I mean, he was the funniest, and he
No,
still
I
is.
love those guys. Masturbating bear. It made no sense also. Sometimes comedy is best when it's just that, as we discussed, the logic is just gone out of the
एक
window.
बार Andy की sister, who was apparently being played by Amy Poehler back then when she was not famous, and she had a thing for Conan, and they had this whole bit. And it was really funny. It was too good. So yeah, so that was like ultimate.
Wow. You should become a talk show host also. पैसे बना 55 करोड़ है ना आपके पास.
सारे नहीं है ना मेरे.
कितना पार्टनर्स हैं?
दो है, मतलब हम दो जन है, but you know, but
दो जन है या दो और हैं?
नहीं दो, हम total 2 between the two of us, but also a capital gain, sir.
Capital gains if you spend it, ना? Did you spend
नहीं, no, देना पड़ता है.
it? Immediately.
हाँ सब पे.
जब तक रखा है तो क्यों देना पड़ेगा?
नहीं पूरा देना पड़ता है. इनफैक्ट अगर आपने स्टार्टिंग से कम नहीं की है तो कैपिटल गेन्स अच्छा खासा है. तो
Oh damn it.
टैक्स देखो, अगर कुछ कमाओगे तो टैक्स देना पड़ेगा.
यूरोज में क्यों नहीं लिया?
नहीं अब
There must be a way around the system.
I don't have an answer.
One
यूरोस में क्यों नहीं लिया?
Call Dr. Malia. There's got to be a way. I will help you.
Actually यूरोस में बहुत कम हो जाता है वो.
वो भी है. Euros is falling, is it?
No, but rupees converted into euros
That's true.
sounds much
That's
less.
true. That's true. Your 55 crores becomes God knows what.
No, but it's
single
a
figure.
it's
for
a
sure.
very surreal experience because कोई मिलता है कहता है बस, कोई मिलता है बहुत ज़्यादा दे दिए. Yeah.
You should not have too much. If you have too much, your
I don't
life
think
is
it should
over.
be. No.
Life, the struggle must be there of some
Yeah.
kind.
It should
You can't just
it should bug you that यार it's और करना है.
yeah. The coming is important in your mind that there's more to be done, whatever happens.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why we do this podcast. The sense of failure never leaves us, and we continue.
Yeah.
Hoping that one day we will reach Mount Everest when we haven't even reached Pali Hill, which is right here.
No, I told someone yesterday, someone I didn't know very well, that I'm going and doing this podcast with Cyrus. They were like, oh, I
You
listened
went
to
to a whorehouse. You said you don't know the person very well.
मतलब
Anjali, एक बात तो बोलूं मैं.
I walked into that one. But no, they were like, Cyrus says, oh my God.
Really?
Yeah.
Who's this person?
Someone who's a CFO in a company.
A CFO.
Yeah.
That company is disaster, man. Boss,
ऐसे मत बोलो यार.
it's scary, yaar. CFO gets off on our show. You can tell only us, two of us are laughing. It's like we are British prisoners in a German, situation.
नहीं, अपने जोक पे हंसना बहुत जरूरी होता है ना.
I think so. Why leave them guessing?
Exactly.
We think it's fun.
खुद ही हंस दो.
Huh?
Yep.
Oh. Okay, Jatin, we are running out of time, but before we go, one last thing. What is the future of comics in India? Because everyone talks about books struggling and all that, but does comics have a better chance? Or, I mean, you spoke about anime and, the next generation of comics.
I think it has a chance. The only thing is, it's no longer about just the physical book. It's about creating a character which can then translate into many things. And
So, like the mass media support has to happen in movies and
yeah, so it
shows and all.
happens. It doesn't happen consistently. There are people who are successful at it. Some are not.
Have we had any characters who are successful now in this generation?
Uh,
Not
the-
Chacha Chaudhary and all
No,
that, but
the
right
most, the biggest sort of animated comic book character, but it's for kids, has been Chota Bheem.
now. Yeah, but that's also about 10 years now.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah.
Other than that, there have been people who've been licensing and putting out their comic books and making them into live action streaming series and all of that. But nothing that, has become a household name. But that's okay, because honestly, to actually become a household name in this time and age, it's extremely difficult. So what you do is you get your niche and you get your market and usi ko aap push karte ho. So there are people who are leveraging their characters into webcomics. There are people who are making them into publishing books with them, licensing for streaming and animation. But
But which politician should get his own comic?
यार वो तो
नाम बताओ तो सही.
पौंडीचेरी से ये क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, वो तो उसके पास जवाब है.
हाँ.
But
To
he's
be-
not coming on the line.
To be fair, we used to publish when we first met also, we used to publish this magazine called Random.
Yeah, like a Mad magazine.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
remember.
And वो तो 8 issue चली थी, but
How sad, yeah.
no,
It's
but
not there.
it's not there. But it started off everything else. But we did a cover during Commonwealth Games where we showed all the politicians.
The Kalmadi era.
Yeah, everyone was Shikari style, and they had Sheru the mascot. उसको मार दिया है उस पे खड़े में. But yeah, that was a different time.
I miss this whole Mad magazine satire kind of thing.
Yeah.
You
Mad
had this
Magazine's
random.
also Mad Magazine's
Gone,
also
no?
shut. Yeah, it's shut down.
This world is gone completely crazy. No Mad magazine, Random, which was our version of it, his version of it, sadly also gone. I hope that someday somebody picks up the gauntlet which you have started.
Yeah, someone
and
younger.
fights for the
Yeah.
sarcasm, and because I think that's the fun of life.
Yeah, and also only a younger person. I think as you get older, maybe you get a little risk averse. A younger person has to come in and
Preparation
completely-
age
Yeah,
comes in handy.
yeah, and be completely crazy with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's just making excuses. He doesn't want to do it anymore. So young people have less mind space. They just do things without thinking. So we're hoping, Prithvi, if we stop playing with that sword, I wish you could put a third camera on this guy. It's like, we're a delinquent. He's telling me,
he
can you
does
stop?
have a sword.
This is the kind of show. This is why Ranveer is number one. Because this guy wants to urinate. He's telling me behind the camera, I want to pee. So can you stop? Brother, I can't run the country like this. I cannot run the country like this. My people, yaar, they let me down.
Yeah. Big letdown.
Anyway, Jatin, he needs to sleep. They've had a very tiring night. And he claims he's out of it, Comic Con for now. But I'm sure in some shape or form, he'll never be out of it.
That's true.
Yeah. Okay, I'll say one thing seriously. Congratulations. It's
Thank
a fantastic product. And, when you meet someone many, many years ago, you don't know what they're doing. We're just doing a little gig together or whatever. No idea that your vision will actually translate and that you went through those bad years and tough years and all that. And it's not getting better. And now you've got this thing which God knows where it'll go to.
Yeah.
8 cities and growing because what they say, B India is growing faster than A India. If I hate to say these words, but you know how it is. So you never know in a few years how many cities will have their own Comic Cons.
That's
We have more local sort of ventures as well.
Yeah.
Because this country is, the way it is.
Massive.
So all that is on to your dream and well done. Well played, sir.
Thank you.
Now give me a tip. No jokes about it. Well done.
Thank you so
Superb.
much. Thanks for having me.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो, please. तमीज से बात करना है ना, important people यार.